Shipping is an integral part of any e-commerce business. It won't be wrong to say that a part of your success depends on your shipping service. Hi, I'm Steffi Chiramal and welcome to Dash 101 TV. Before we begin, subscribe to Dash 101 and press the bell icon to never miss our videos. Whether you have your own shipping service or you want to tie up with third-party logistics for your shipping services, then it is a good idea to tick these 5 check boxes when you make your final decision. Once your shipping volume increases, you will need to save some costs too. Saving a few bucks goes a long way in the stability of your business, which is why you should always choose shipping services that offer great bulk rates. People who want to ship multiple items will definitely look for companies that will provide them with great bulk rates. Imagine a day in your life when you have ordered food. For some reason, you cannot track your delivery. How annoyed are you going to be? Same goes with the shipping industry. In the world of Google Maps, where no place in the world cannot be tracked, your customer wants to track his package even if there are delays. A lack of this facility may give brownie points to your competitors. Make sure you don't forget to find a shipping partner that has the best tracking service. The warehouse is one of the most important parts of your shipping process. Maintaining a clean and organized warehouse will make it easier when it comes to keeping track of your products and deliveries. Technology is changing the shipping industry, and for the better. The latest technologies make it easier to not only track your packages but can also keep your customers updated in real time about their products. Collaborating with a shipping partner means tons of paperwork. Make sure that your shipping partner is aware of all the paperwork that needs to be done to avoid delays in delivery. While keeping these points in mind, make sure your entire shipment tracking process is in place. In a nutshell, shipping or shipment tracking is when you create checkpoints for your package and monitor its whereabouts. Shipment tracking needs these following 4 setups to be efficient. The importance of barcodes cannot be emphasized enough in the shipping industry. Without barcodes, modern shipping and inbound and outbound logistics processes would be more inefficient and much more error-prone. Third-party logistics rely on barcodes to efficiently run their warehouses so that they can serve the companies in a better way for whom they perform fulfillment services. Generating, scanning, and storing the barcode is important because it gives an identity to the shipment that is being made. Post scanning the barcode, a tracking code is generated, which is a unique number useful for knowing the location of time-sensitive deliveries. Once the shipment has reached the destination city, it is then sent to a local warehouse or a center where it is scanned again to update the system. The delivery executive then takes the shipment to the addressee, which is shown as out for delivery and then finally delivered. The last stage is entered by the delivery executive in a handheld device. Your shipping partner should be an efficient third-party logistics company to oversee the shipment tracking of the manufacturer's goods or products right from the source to destination. We understand this at Dash 101, which is why our app gives you a variety of options to choose from. Click on the link below to download the Dash 101 app and start finding the right shipping partner for your business. For more about order management, please visit the Dash 101 blog. You can also post your questions in the comment section below and we'll make sure to give you the best suggestions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Take care and never stop dreaming.